Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a fidget, and I am so sorry because of my hair. If you guys think it's messy, I'm so sorry. I don't really like comments like that, but anyways, today we're gonna be making fidgets. I thought the hot glue gun was still cool. Taking off the glue that's the hair. The hot glue gun hair. So basically today I'm making a fidgets. So this is the box that I picked. And this is the fidget that I made. You guys want to know how to do it? Basically, you're gonna get Ziploc. I'll show you later. But anyways, let's see how this works. I really hope this will work. So, sorry. But let me try. Okay, it's all zipped up. Just gonna take off the hairs. Okay, there. I took off these hairs. So let's see how this thing works. What does the hair just stick on here? Okay, there, I took it off. Okay. So this is the one that I made. I'm sorry that if it does not stretch because it's charging. So like that. And basically, let's try to make this work. Oh, I don't even think I can open it. Oh, perfect. It does work. It's super cool. It just needs, the glue is kind of sticking out. So I'm going to get my hot glue gun. I'm going to go ahead and glue that on. Hot. That thing is hot. Okay. So I basically get, so when I get my glue stick and I push it down so I don't burn my fingers because I'm like using a Ziploc and I don't want to burn my fingers. Earthquake. Okay. Shaking the table, that's fine. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to let that dry a little. Push it down with my finger a little. Hot. It's pretty hot. Okay. We're going to let that sit for a little. We're going to put something heavy on it so it like gets some pressure. That doesn't work. Anyways, so I'm gonna be showing you how to make cool DIY fidgets. The first fidget I made is that. I'm going to show you how to make it. All you are going to need is Ziploc, scissors, and hot glue, a hot glue gun, and Elmer's glue. A glue stick will work, but a glue stick is the least best. The hot glue gun is the best. So you're going to get a Ziploc. Get a I'm already using one, so I don't have to open that one. So you're gonna get a Ziploc. Pretend this is all full. You're gonna cut the side off. Oh, wait. Okay. So once you cut off, you like this. It depends how big you want the thing to be. If you want it to be like the whole bag size, go ahead. It depends. I'm using a small bag. You guys can use a big bag, small bag, whatever bag you have. Yeah. So basically, you're gonna, one side it's gonna open, one side it's gonna close. So that's pretty much the whole fidget. You can glue this on your fidget board, and where the corner is right here, you can glue hot glue. So pretend this is like my fidget board, and I made this. So basically, you're gonna glue this on the side right here. You're gonna glue that, all of this. See? You're gonna glue that. Stick it. You're gonna get your glue stick, and you're gonna, if you have gloves, go ahead. But I use this because I don't, and I don't want to burn my finger. So go ahead and use whatever you have, or get burnt. And then you can just like close it up. Well, you can zip this too, and then you can open it, close it, and then and you can also cut this off if you want to. That's what I did. So our next fidget, you're gonna need a Ziploc, some little toys, and hot glue, and scissors. So first you're gonna cut off a square, a rectangle, a triangle, whatever shape you want, from the Ziploc. Mine is like this because it's like in the middle. So what you're gonna do is actually you're gonna use this. It's better for this type of material. So first you're just gonna get beads, erasers, I don't know, whatever you have, and you're gonna stuff it up. Let me go get all that. Let me come with you guys. So you get beads, you can get little toys, erasers. I'm gonna use little beads because it's like the best way to use it. You can put, actually, sanitizer might work. Sanitizer also will work because it's not watery as much. So yeah, we're gonna use sanitizer. I'm sorry, because I feel like I'm making a TikTok, but no, I'm not. So let me plug this in. Who is that? No, I don't. You're gonna get your sanitizer, well, whatever you have, and you're gonna glue all the sides except one side. You can glue all the sides and leave like a little gap. But if you guys are gonna stuff it with a lot of things, go ahead and just glue one side. I'm gonna use a little bit, so I'm just gonna leave like a little gap. So you're gonna go ahead and glue all this together. So well, I'm gonna cut it a little more because it's gonna be harder to glue it like that. So. Well, I think I'm just gonna mess it up. So we're just gonna glue everything. Glue that side. Perfection. Now that is good. Okay. So basically, when you're done gluing the side, you are going to do this. Let it dry for some few seconds. So you're gonna let it dry for 40 seconds. Do you want to count with me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, like, we are done counting. You're gonna do it to the other side. Well, I'm gonna actually leave it like this. I'm gonna glue, so I'm gonna actually keep it like this. Squeeze all this out. Okay, now we're just gonna squeeze all that in there. You can use beads, oops. You can use whatever you have. You can mix a mixture with like water and sanitizer. Whatever you want to use. Okay, I think that's enough sanitizer. So, and then you're gonna close that up. Let's keep closing up. Nope, it will not keep closed, that's what I mean. So we're gonna have to start all this all over again. Actually, we might just be able to do this. Nope. Nope, we're not. Or? Yep, we can. So, sorry guys, I was talking to myself. So yeah, while I'm doing this, nope, I'm gonna have to start all. So while I'm gonna be doing that, you can start stuffing, doing your part. Just got the Ziploc that I needed. Well, that's a bit bad. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything's closed very well. Actually, I'm gonna use the hot glue gun. I don't know if it's just gonna work because it's like a little hotter. And it was dripping the whole time, wasn't it? Sure was. It was dry. So, oh shoot. Snaps. So we are going to go. I was about to say, did I run out of glue already? Shoot. This did not work. So how did the glue react? Not as planned. That part worked. So we're just gonna fill up the spots that did not work, so we can not have to keep reusing bags. Use all of it. Like literally the bag is melting right now. It's shrinking. The bag ripped from all that hotness. The bag ripped. Hot. The glue was on me. Look at that. Oh, it dries so fast. Yeah, this video was a big failure. Look at the bag melted. Made a big hole. Yeah, maybe the house is not meant for type of material like that, so we might just have to glue it. Replay. We're gonna have to do this again. Sorry for the wait, guys. So sorry. Super sorry. Super sorry. I'm actually gonna make a little bag for it so it doesn't take a lot of time. By the way, guys, if you mop, like not the mop, like when you actually mop the floor, like when you dance on TikTok like this, when you mop, please do not do it like this. Do not do this. You're gonna hold your thumb so your hand does not fall. It's easier, but if you can, you do it your own way. I think it's just easier like that. That's why I just tell you guys. Better. So this is the Ziploc that I'm going to be using because it's way easier. So we're going to be using tape. I have a bunch of tape. Guys, TikTok is getting abandoned. I don't want that to happen. Disappointed. I worked on my videos so much. So I'm gonna be. I just did it. Ugh. Hard tape. Guys, don't worry. My parents are watching a movie. Ugh. So I am go ahead and cut this off. Okay. So now that everything is glued and safe, we can go ahead and pour. Yeah, I'm just gonna use one more time the tape just in case if it does not work, it like does not fall, get out. That's not enough tape at all, but it'll work. Oh, I need more in the bottom because in the bottom it sometimes like finds a hole in the bottom, so we're gonna take the bottom corner of the bottom. Perfect. For my parents watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess. Okay, so now we may put our sanitizer. I wasted so much sanitizer for no reason because I knew I had to restart. I didn't know, but I had to. So I didn't really know. What are you guys using? Comment down below. So we're gonna get the scissors and we're gonna push that in. I might as well just waste all of this. So I'm just gonna capture this and I'm gonna put it out. That's why I have more space on the top. Sorry that I'm not talking that much because I'm very focused. Ugh. Gonna let that go down, go down, go down. Ugh. Okay, so now that we did this, ooh, this is not that bad. Okay, believe making a fidget can take this long. Well, I mean, like, I'm making a video, so it's pretty much harder. Because I have to stop the video, I have to wash my hands, I have to clean up. Okay, so now we can take this up. Okay, so we will take my tape and you will glue, well, tape the front. It's pretty. Get it? Like I'm saying, it's pretty nice, but, and then you're saying nice. Like, pretty nice. It does not make sense. Yeah, we did not close this good at all. So we're gonna take that off. Take all that tape off. Just set that aside. Paper is coming out. Oof, right on time. Comment down below if you guys like making fidgets. I don't use fidgets, but I just like making them because it's like so active. So that's how you make a fidget. Comes out from here. So you can just glue it on right here, and then you can just like play with it. I think the sanitizer was a good one. That's so cool. What's up? See. So, and then you can put like a piece of tape in there. I try to get it. This is very fun. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this. I am not gonna use a hot glue gun. You may, but I don't think it's really gonna work. So we are going to just gonna keep doing this until we get it. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna see how the fidget works after we glue this fidget on. Dude, this is gonna be so cool, guys. Damn, I've been filming this video for 40 seconds and 23 minutes. And somewhere it's leaking. We're gonna have to put somewhere a lot more tape. It's just in there. So leaking from the top. So you're gonna push all the way. There's a lot coming out. So you're gonna have to put a lot of tape everywhere. So nothing will come out. Nothing. We're just gonna glue the whole thing. All the edges. Everything, because we don't want to make something and it does not work. Because that's just like a waste of time. We don't want to do that. So we're just gonna tape everywhere. Okay, let me dry my hands to see where it's leaking. Can I feel anything here? From there. Looking from that corner. Found it. Found where it's leaking from. Let me just take the whole thing. Yeah. Oh, let me just take the whole thing. Sorry guys, that's what's a bit failure. I'm taking way too long, yes, I know. Just you don't want to make something that does not work. It's a time. I just said that. Just coming out from here. So I'm gonna get this. This is the last place I'm gonna tape. So we can move on and see. Now it's time. Okay. That's another fidget that we can make. Now let's check on this one. This one is very well. The first one worked very well. The second one I would get a 5 out of 10. Well, because it takes a lot of time. Oh, I made it to do sanitizer. I'll just give that a 5 out of 10. Now, another fidget. Well, you can just get a fidget. This is a fidget. That's so nice. I don't think I'm ready to like send this out. So we are not gonna quite. So another fidget is I'm not gonna go get that because I'm scared. But another fidget, let me go get it. This is gonna take some time for me to get it. Now I'm keeping this on. Wait. Really quick. So sorry for the wait, but that was some time for you guys to finish. So here I have some beads. Oh yes, you're gonna get some beads. Pick the beads that you want. We can get the colors. Mine I'm just gonna pick them. Just gonna get a handful of them. So you're gonna get 10. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're gonna get 20. Get 20. I don't care. Get 20. Okay. Well, you can get it your size. It's just because I want more blue. You don't have a little green. Okay. Got got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is okay. Pick whatever number you want. I'm gonna get 18 because, well, 20 is a little too much. So go ahead and punch whatever you need behind. This is not a fidget, but I can use this as a fidget because I don't think that this does not really work a lot. So it doesn't really work very good. So I'm just gonna use it as a fidget. And that is what we're going to be making, and everyone knows how to make that. Anyways, let's just move this a little more closer. Just like that. Okay, so here I got my beads. If you guys don't know how to do it, I'll show you. So you're just gonna place, you're just gonna get your hot glue gun, you're gonna place a dot, and then you're gonna put your bead. Be careful because if yours has a hole, well, they're supposed to have a hole. Be very careful because if you put a lot, the glue can go in the hole and it can burn your finger. So be very careful when you do this. Whoa, just once again. So I'm gonna start right here. Okay, put this back, put this blue. You can also just use something to push it down. Okay. Now, I love this, but it gets so dirty. The thing very sticky, and the thing just comes off really quickly. You can pull off skin very easily. This was supposed to be a panda. It's a mochi. Super cute. Not that soft though. But they're very sticky. Not very sticky as slime. Less stickier, but let's just continue, you know. So we're gonna keep getting the hot glue gun. And I'm gonna. What color are you guys using? I'm using all sorts of colors. You guys can use rainbow, you guys can use all the colors. Different colors. Same thing what I'm doing. I might just, can this one fit? Hot. Nope, it does not fit. It's okay, there's just gonna be a giant hole in the middle. Because I did it super wrong. Then we're gonna go with yellow. Let's see how it looks with the camera on it. This is the camera, isn't it? Okay, wait. See, how does this look? Well, it slipped out of my hand. Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this. And we will just keep going, gluing. We're gonna get, I'll say purple. What type of colors do you guys like? I like all sorts of different colors, but my biggest one is blue, teal, and yeah, that's pretty much all. Blue, teal, and light blue. I like this type of blue and teal. Very nice. I haven't put any orange. Perfect. Getting together. And then I'm sorry guys. I've been quiet the whole time. I'm so sorry because I'm focusing on doing this. You guys might be focusing too, so I should not be getting worried at all. Alright. Yellow. Blue. And yellow and blue. Perfect. Now we're gonna let this dry. Then you're gonna take off all of the hair. And you're then gluing all the beads or I don't know, erasers. I don't know. I like beads. Beads are amazing. So we're gonna let this dry. And while that's drying, guys, go ahead and pick up all of the hair. You can put it in your trash, or you can just like step it aside. Pick it up. I'm talking so much. Talk myself. Okay. Okay. So now that we took off everything, well, not everything, but what I could, we can play with it. So this is how you use it. So this is how they all look. So that's that fidget. You can slide it up. You can do that. The glue did not really stick on, but it's okay. And this. I especially love this one. So now we're gonna be making another fidget. All you need is a hot glue gun. So you're just gonna make squiggly lines. I'm gonna make dots. Squiggly lines. Was just a line. It'll come out. Okay, so you're gonna let that dry because there's like literally nothing on top of it. So I'm so sorry, guys. Do I have freckles? Wanna know how to do that? My best friend. Damn, that was a big pull. Whoa. Everything's up. Not everything, but everything's shaped. So basically you're gonna bite your gum. Do this. Then let go of this side. Now you're gonna like do it like a pirate. What is this? I don't know. So we're gonna let that dry a little. You're gonna have to touch it to see if it's dry. This is cool. Feels weird. I'm gonna put more. Feels very nice and weird. Why do I say that? What are my parents watching? I'm a savage, classy, ratchet, sassy, the moody, nasty. I think. How do you do this? The say so. Didn't even notice. Oh, punching that rolling. You gotta keep me focused. You wanna say so. Let me check my chest, my breath record. You never seen it just like this. You never even know a little. Okay. It's just not done yet. It'll be done when it changes the color. See, it is not done yet. So well, actually, that's all the fidgets that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I hope you like it. Go ahead and give it a like, give it a subscribe, save the video, and comment down below. Comment down below something about your fidgets. What type of fidgets do you have? Do you like the fidgets? Do you even know what fidgets are? And if you don't, let me go ahead and tell you. A fidget is something that you make and it relaxes you. Like, it's just very cool. Oh, it feels very nice. So that's all for today. Bye, guys. I love you guys. Subscribe, comment down below, do all that good stuff, okay? Bye. Bang.